Welcome to Fast Charlie's challenge, which is to pick open a rekeyable padlock, a 5-pinner, where the key pins do not match the bidding on the key, and then fix it. So here the 5 pins in the plug do match the bidding on the key. That's not what we want. So we want those key pins mixed up. So maybe that's in order. And then rekey it or repin it. So all 5 pins are in, and you can see it's at least not correct on 1, 2, 3 positions. Alright, so let's reassemble the lock. And oops, close it. That hurts, because now the key will not work anymore. Put the clip on and put the core in. Usually, when you reassemble a lock, you will always want to make sure that it does work before you put in the screw and tighten it. But here, you want to check the opposite. Because that's part of the challenge. To have a non-functioning lock and to pick it and repair it. So here is my pry bar, 1.3 millimeters. I use the thick end because the core is a little bit sunken in. And for picking I use a Peterson jam in 15 thousandths. So the drivers are serrated and serrated spools. Pretty fun to pick, but now that's a blind pick because I don't know how this lock picks with this changed bidding. Okay. Little click from 5. Little click from 4. That wasn't overset. So 1 is loose, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, maybe I overset something, so I start again. Just the lightning a little bit. Sorry, my light is making noise. Okay, apply a little bit more tension this time. 5, got a click. Nothing from 4. Okay, 3 is binding or not. Maybe that's a good click from 3. 2. 1 is still springy. That was an overset on 3. That was not good. So apply more tension. The camera to focus. So one click from 5. And then it's oversetting. Okay, so there is only 1 click from 5. And 3 is overset, and okay. Might be already challenging bidding. So 1 click from 5. Okay, another click, this time from 4. Then it's overset. Okay, release tension. Hope that it came back. I'm on 3. Overset. Release tension, it came back. Okay, check 2. Okay, got a good click from 2. 1 is still springy. Check 2 again. No. 3. This lock is not playing nice. Okay, 5. 4. 3. 2 clicks from 2. 1 is still... No, 1 is now actually loose. There is no spring tension anymore, or no? Strange. Maybe the hook is not deep enough, but can't really imagine. The keyway is so long and so wide open. Okay, that was 4. Ah, that was 3. Good click from 3. Maybe we're making a little bit of progress. Yes, we do. So we've got a false set now. Okay, 1 is given counter rotation. And it's open. Hold the tension wrench, and now we have the chance to repair this poor lock. It's an exciting step here, or a moment. So we can't lock it back up because we don't have a key that works. So let's open it up. Okay, the clip is off. Use this nice blue follower that I got from Foxy and slide it through. Alright, then I can dump them out and repin it correctly. So the first 3 are very short, if I remember correctly. Maybe like this. Looks good. No, that does not look good. Like so and like so. Alright, the shear line is flush again with a key. So I can now reassemble it. Lock it back up. Oops. That's unexpected. I have to check this again, why it doesn't work properly. So I would say, you can see 3 is sticking out a little bit and 5 is a little bit too deep. So let's okay, definitely 3 is not right. 3 is a spool. So how does this work? I'm confused. I'm really confused now. So, 1 is a spool, 2 is serrated, 3 is empty, 4 is serrated, and 5, oh, and here all the springs, is another serrated. So what did I do? Here is key pin number 3. Okay, so this looks okay. Really have no idea what I did. So let's reassemble the lock. So this is number 3 actually. Okay, something like so. That was 4, 6, 5, 4, 5, here we have 3, 2, and 1. Make sure the key works. Looks perfect. Why should this not work? I was thinking that this is exactly how it was just before. So I lock it back up, use the key, and it works. I have no idea what I did wrong the first time, but anyway, it's working. I have to watch the video and see what I did wrong, but that's really strange. Anyway, let's complete this challenge by reassembling the lock and showing that it's back in working order. So before I close it, I make sure that the plug does turn. It does. Alright, here is the lock back in working order after some hiccups. Open, closed, lock back up. Alright, that was the challenge from Fast Charlie. Thanks for calling this out. Everybody else, thank you very much for watching. Happy picking and bye bye.